Okay, for sample problem number 2, and so from CE Board, November 2015 naman siya. So here is the problem. The absolute pressure in a gas tank is 2.85 atmospheres. And sabi dito, obtain the pressure head in meters of water for each gauge pressure. So, ganun pa rin. So, but now, absolute pressure yung given dito. So, given tayo ng P absolute, which is 2.85 atmospheres. So, pinapahanap sa atin is the pressure head. Ayan, for each gauge, gauge pressure. So, kanina, di ba, from the formula na P absolute or the absolute pressure is equal lang siya sa gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Diba? Tapos, kung natatandaan nyo kanina, diba, ang absolute pressure natin ay equivalent lang siya sa 101.325 kilopascal. And then, 100.325 kilopascal ay equal lang siya sa 1 atmosphere. Ayan. So, from that, makukuha natin yung P gauge. Ito, P gauge muna. Kunin natin yung P gauge. So, P abs 2.85 is equal to P gauge plus ito 1 atmosphere at 1 atmosphere, which is 1 and then makukuha natin yung P gauge. So 2.85 minus 1 is equivalent to 1.85 atm. So, para makuha natin yung pressure head, so P or the pressure is equal to gamma H, unit weight ng water, and then pressure head ng water. So, P, so i-convert muna natin yung P gauge so into kilopascal. So, 1.85 atmospheres. So, 101.325 kPa ay equivalent 1 atm. And cancel. So, magiging pressure natin dito is 325 is 187.45 452 kPa. And then, makukuha natin yung pressure head. So, gamma 187.452. Gawin na natin kilonewton meter squared and then divided by 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter is equal to pressure head ng water. And then, ang makukuha natin dyan is equal to 187.452 divided by 9.81. So 19.01 or 19.108 meter. Ayan. So that would be our answer for sample problem number 2.